If you're back at the office or you're working from home, the fashion theme for spring is all about the jumpsuits. We love the jumpsuit. Dani back on the show with ways to make this work for you.
Yeah.
We love it. It's easy.
It is, and it's such a fun way to jump into spring. One step dressing. It's uncomplicated. So if you want something that you can just put on, you don't have to think about, you don't have to worry about what coordinates with it, we have jumpsuits for you.
Okay, so there's so many types of jumpsuits, right? So you've brought an array.
Yeah.
Tell me about those.
Okay, so this is just like a knit. It looks like joggers, a top and a bottom.
Those look like you could sleep in them. Pajamas, but they are so cute when you add a belt in.
Yeah. And then we can add this wrap belt, a nice necklace. We've got some slides here. This is a little bit more industrial looking jumpsuit, but all in these fun spring pastel-y colors.
Dani, don't you feel like you're always put together when you have a jumpsuit? You don't even, I mean, you look good in it.
Yeah, it's simple. It's simple. So we have our model here, Avery.
All right, Avery, what does he have?
A cute Dickies jumpsuit. These are called coveralls, and we found these on Amazon. And you can style these with cute little sneakers, some chunky boots, wedge heel sandals if you want to in the summer.
Avery, turn around because I love the back because it's got that little elastic to give you a little bit of figure, right?
Exactly. Yeah, it gives you that contour that's shapely. So you're not looking like a guy. She definitely looks like a lovely female.
Who could work this? Could it be an older adult? Could it be a teenager? Where does this lie?
Yeah, so this one might be tricky to really dress up. It's going to look a little bit more relaxed. We could add a jacket, but it's going to add like a turtleneck underneath, maybe a striped t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt's going to be great. The simplicity of just the straight black without the top stitching or the Dickies label is going to be a little bit easier to dress up or down.
I like these because they're pockets. It's super functional.
So Avery is actually a production assistant, and she is busy and has lots of things to put in her pockets. So yeah, it's very useful.
Right? Awesome.
Okay, so as Avery would tell me, it's all fun and games until you have to go to the bathroom.
I know, that's the tricky thing.
Right?
Right.
So you have to kind of undo everything. So I have some alternatives for you. So we can create the illusion of a one-piece jumpsuit, but have the versatility of two pieces.
Because this looks like a jumpsuit.
Exactly.
But in fact, it's a two-piece, right?
Right. And what I'm wearing actually looks like a jumpsuit.
Totally.
Right? But so I put it together, it's got the drawstring waist, so it looks like a jumpsuit, but I can take off
the layers.
The top. It's actually two pieces.
Okay, all right.
So now I have the versatility to mix and match, to create multiple outfits instead of just one.
Dani, you've got like two pieces in one because you can wear the monochrome and then if you want to change it up a little bit, put some color.
Exactly. So if you want more versatility, you want more looks with less pieces, but you also, like maybe your top is a different size from your bottom.
That's true.
So maybe my top is a size 8 and my bottom is a size 12. Sometimes the jumpsuits aren't going to work for that figure type.
And you can go to the restroom without even any
and we
hassle.
Can pee. We're free to pee.
I'm loving this tie-dye because that is all the rage right now. And this is a two-piece, and I like the shorts.
Yeah, super cute. Great for summer, spring, summer, those in between. And again, it looks like a one-piece. Like you can just put those two pieces on, uncomplicated. You don't have to think about it.
Where's
super
this from?
Simple. Target.
Target?
That is from Target.
Oh my gosh.
This is from Target. These are from Madewell. But if you go to my website, to my blog, I have shopping links for you. So you can just go to stylebydani.com, go to the blog, and you'll be able to see all of those shopping links.
Dani, by the way, she can go into your closet, figure out some of your outfits, what can go, what can stay. I mean, you have it all, and you know where to shop affordably. Amazon and Target, and you know exactly where to go.
Yeah.
Dani, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Check her out on Instagram, and we'll have a link on our website, abc4.com/GTU. Dani, always a pleasure.
Thank you.
Up next, it's time to think bold. I thought this was bold.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
We're talking about the holidays, breaking out the marshmallows, your favorite Easter color. We're doing our own homemade peeps. Then from sweet to savory, we've got a unique recipe for quiche with hash browns.
Cabinets and mantle for Good Things Utah, provided by Maple Landing Custom Cabinets and Woodworking.